Hello and welcome to this online video for preparation for civil services. We at Aarohan classes understand that getting into civil services, be it the UPSC or the state civil services, is a dream cherished by a lot of youngsters in our country. But due to various problems, including financial constraints, they are unable to get quality coaching, quality mentorship. As a result, they are unable to qualify in this exam. We at Aarohan classes believe that knowledge is free. Knowledge is one of the wealth which should be distributed free of cost, and it is probably the only wealth in the world. If you distribute it, it grows actually. So with this in our minds and hearts, we have committed ourselves to start a free online coaching for civil services, both for UPSC and the state civil services. And this we would be doing through the medium of YouTube, through our channel Aarohan classes in YouTube. This would be absolutely free of cost, and we would be taking care of general studies, essay paper, compulsory English, and some of the optional papers. At the outset, let me make something very clear that although this project is free of cost for the students, because from our own classes, we believe that it is a social commitment to help the students. But from the financial side, of course, it costs a lot to us. We have to contribute a lot of financial resources for this. So although it is free of cost, we would ask you to donate voluntarily. That means if you feel that it is useful for you, then you can donate voluntarily. How you will donate and all those things will be made clear in the video lectures. Second thing is what we would expect from you. This is not a kind of anyone can view and just forget. We will be giving you dedicated support for doubt clearance, for tests. All of these would be free of cost. What we would expect in return is complete sincerity from you. Remember, UPSC, as it is generally said, it is probably the most difficult exams in our country. So you need a combination of the 3 P's. The first and most important P is planning. If you have not planned for UPSC, if you don't have a plan to how to go about in your journey through this UPSC preparation, then it would be very difficult to crack the exam. So proper planning is number 1. Second P stands for practice. You have to practice a lot. We will tell you what we expect from you, how much you have to write in a day, and for CSAT paper what you have to do. So practice is very important. Both for your different papers, for your general studies, for your optional papers, for your Indian language papers. Don't take those papers, the compulsory papers, lightly. So that is the second P, that is practice. And the third P, which is probably for me, that is the most important virtue that has to be in administrator, that is patience, or you can say perseverance. If you are failing in one attempt, you are unable to understand a concept, you have to stick to it till that time that you are confident about that particular subject. So a combination of these 3 P's along with the mentorship that we would try to give it to you will help you in succeeding in this exam. So now coming to the structure of the lectures that we would be having. Now each topic would be divided into 3 lectures. The first lecture basically would be on the basics of the topic. The second lecture would be some advanced things about those topics, including some recent things, little bit inclined towards research, but from a civil service point of view. And the third class would be general discussion of previous year papers and questions, both objective and subjective. So I hope this small endeavor of ours to help the students in general, and those students who cannot afford to go to classroom coaching in particular, would help you people a lot. And if you have any suggestions or feedback, you can email it to us so that we can improve this. We are just starting, so there would be a lot of scope for improvement. We need the feedback from you so that we can improve on this. Okay, thank you very much, and we will soon be uploading the actual videos of the lectures, right? Thank you very much.